Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about the how to create different Instagram posts on different niches. So you can sell this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, and also you can uh, s- reach out the local clients, and you can go for Google and search for websites related to your niche and offer them services to maintain their Instagram presence. So let's go to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best freelance online graphic designing tool. You don't need to be an expert graphic designer or experienced graphic designer. You just have to start Canva do it all for you. So in today's video I will teach you how you can create a Instagram post on health niche. So I click on create a design, and I search here Instagram post portrait or square. I will choose square for this time. It is loading. It's depend upon the internet speed, so wait for some seconds. So here I search health. So as you can see, it provides us different templates, so you can choose any of the template and customize it according to your own need. So I chose this one. I think this one is good. So first of all, I would like to change the font. You can easily change the font or color, and you can also change the style. I like this one. I think we have to add more elements there. So I choose this element, and now I place this element there, and you can I also add a dummy website like www.mhealth.com. This is just for video purpose, and I want to change the color. I think it's look good, and you can also customize this by like adding fruit first tip. After that, you can also write content for your post from ChatGPT, and that's it. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.